So the beauty of this product is that even though it looks like real wood, even feels like real wood, it's very, very lightweight. It's made out of a high density polyurethane, which means it's light, it's easy to work with, and it's easy to cut. So regardless of what type of saws you might have at home, just about anything you have is going to work on this. Let me show you. So for example, if you have a jigsaw, very easy to cut through this material with a jigsaw. If you have a circular saw, same thing. It passes through very, very easy. Even if you don't have any of those expensive saws, you might only have a handsaw. Very simple to cut this product. Now, it'll also work great on your miter saw. So, if you're setting your angles for your roof lines or for the different angles on your miter saw, you can set that on your saw, and then the saw will pass through this product very simply. Super easy to work with, super easy to cut. So regardless of what type of tools you'll have at home, this is definitely a DIY installation, even if you have to use a handsaw. All right, let's get to work. For more detailed instructions or information about these panels or any of the other great products from Barron Designs, check out their website at barrondesigns.com.